everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy, and I'm back. I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you today. I went by the store today to pick up a few things and then ended up grabbing a few more things and then a few more things and then a few more things, and it kind of turned into a haul. So $45 later, I've got some stuff to show you. Also, before we get started though, I wanted to make sure that all of you are taking advantage of all of those holiday receipts that you're going to be getting, because there's an app called Fetch Rewards. And if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, you need to download it, because when you download Fetch Rewards and you scan your receipts, this one is from Costco, this one is from Dollar Tree, you can literally earn points and redeem those points for online gift cards like Amazon, lots of different food-related gift cards, lots of shopping, lots of online retailers. It's the perfect way to earn free money to go shopping with. So I'm going to include that link and that referral code and everything below for you. And I won't talk about Fetch Rewards anymore during this video. Let's get into the stuff. I've got all my bags right at my floor and right at my feet on the floor anyway. And I have a messy craft station because I've been just cranking out some DIYs, and I'm really excited about some of these. Not sure if you saw a video that Megan from Glue Guns and Roses did, and she used some of these oversized bells, and I love these things so much. She created a beautiful swag, and I'm going to be doing that with these as well. So thank you, Megan, for the idea. I think I'm going to end up putting it probably around my mailbox, but found those and was super stoked to find those. Also, ribbon. The Dollar Tree ribbon is just crazy right now, and they've got some spring ribbon already out. So, you know, Dollar Tree, you need to grab it now because it will be gone very soon. But they had this gorgeous navy and gray, like a silvery gray. I thought it could be great for holiday because you're seeing a lot of navy in holiday, but then also I thought it could be really cool just to use for any other time. And I love the way that that ribbon looks. And then I also grabbed a red version of that. It's like a red and gold. Again, super fun for the holidays and a great one to use. And then I found this one that I thought was really, really cute. It's all these different stars. And again, kind of like a pastel color, but still a little bit of blingy to it. And again, I think these are super cute and very, very cool. In my next bag, I grabbed a couple organizational things, but then I saw this cute reindeer. It's kind of hard to see there, but this reindeer candle holder. Like, how cute is that? Right? Super, super cute. And then they also had a Christmas tree, which I really liked. I probably should have bought more of these, actually, because I think that these would be really cute, kind of clustered together. I thought that these were super cool, and I love them. They had them in gold, and then I think they also had them in silver. So I grabbed those. I'm working on a kind of like a cloche DIY for A Maker Studio, and I needed some things to put inside of it, so I think I'm going to use this little glittery, blingy church ornament, which I thought was super fun to grab. And then I also did grab one of these sleighs. Not really sure which one it's going to be quite yet, but again, I'll be able to use those for something. They had some limoncello oil, and this is not it's not an oil for a diffuser. I think it's it's a scented oil, but it's not for diffusers. It's for like a oil lamp thing. I can't talk today. But I love the way lemons smell anyway. And a friend of mine actually used to just take a very, very small dollop of oils like that and put it on her light bulbs. And it would smell up the entire room. But when I tried it one time, the light bulb exploded. So not sure you could do that. I have this amazing cart that I got from Michael's, and I put all of my paints on it, and I thought that these little buckets would be perfect for organizing those paints because they're small enough that I can group them by kind of categories or colors, and it's a 3-pack. So I thought that that was super cool. So you can get 3 for $1, and I grabbed 2 packages of those. So we're gonna try and get organized with the paints. The other thing I grabbed at Dollar Tree, which I thought were super cool, I teased these on my Instagram, in Crafter Square, they have some new galvanized metal signs. So I grabbed this arrow. I also grabbed this hashtag, which I thought was super cool. And then I also grabbed this, I think it's like called a call out bubble. It's like a speaker bubble, you know, like if I'm going and I'm a cartoon and it can say hello or get out of here or whatever I want it to say. I thought that was fun. And then they had some rub-on transfers that were, I thought they were going to be perfect for spring. And they're just kind of like ivy and vines and stuff. And again, I grabbed those thinking that I could use those this spring. It's really random that I'm already seeing spring things at Dollar Tree. But then when you think about it, it's like, maybe it's not so random. And then speaking of random, look what I just found in that bag. A Dollar Tree receipt that I'm sure I have not scanned yet into Fetch Rewards. So I guess I lied because I said I wasn't going to talk about Fetch Rewards again. But here I am doing it again. Because that's free money. Why wouldn't I do it? They had these oversized light bulb LED necklaces. And I bought 4 of these because my thoughts are, I have this little 3-foot gnome tree. And I got it at a yard sale. I think I paid $5 for it. And I thought these would be really fun to string around the gnome. And because they're kind of larger, I don't know, I thought it might be a good, it just might be the right size for the gnome. So we're going to see how that works out. And they're LED, and they've already got the batteries built into them. So it could be really good. I found... I grabbed some of these trees because I do want to use these in that cloche idea that I'm doing. So those are there. I wanted to put some snow. I just dropped 1 package, so I grabbed 2 packages of these. And then I was so excited to find these. I found 2 sets of the mini pickup truck and the mini camper. And this one was like randomly placed on a shelf, and this is actually the first one that I found. Like somebody had picked it up and then just put it down, and then I found this one actually in the Christmas section. So my sister wants one of these, so she's gonna get one of those for her little village. And then they had some glittery tea lights that I thought would be fun to add to that Christmas tree and that reindeer that I got. So that is for those. And then I have one more bag. And in this bag, I teased again on my Instagram my new Christmas cards. But I grabbed 3 boxes of these because there's only 6 cards in a box. And I just wanted to be able to drop them off at some neighbors. It's really hard to see that because of the reflection. But you can see there's a glittery little red truck. And then it says Merry Christmas. And then you open it up and it just says, have a season filled with beautiful moments. So I thought that was very cool and just very simple. And it's just kind of fun. So, and the price was definitely right for $3. I grabbed 2 of these Tumbling tower games because I was thinking of a DIY project that I can use for those. That is not a Christmas DIY for a change. I grabbed some gummy bears because I'm working on a DIY project with those. Not going to be eating them, at least not right away. I grabbed these placemats, these plastic placemats, because I thought immediately Christmas when I saw them. I kind of got like a little bit of a Christmas tree vibe from them. So they are going to be used in a very near DIY project. And then you guys know I have a thing for Dollar Tree socks. And I found some new designs that I thought were super cute. Some sheep. They are black and white sheep that I thought were super cute. I'm in a very squeaky chair, by the way. They had some fun Christmas socks, so I grabbed some of those. They had some Christmas trees. They had some snowmans. They had a dinosaur. Like, how cute is that? And then they had some toast and bacon and eggs. And then they had some bumblebees. So again, super cute, and thought that they were really fun. I am going to scan my receipt now into Fetch Rewards, and that was my haul. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I look forward to bringing you some cool DIY projects for Christmas. And then because it's like November and Valentine's Day is in February, that probably means next month we're going to start working on some Valentine stuff. So anyway, guys, have a good day. Have a good night, depending on when you're watching this. And I'll bring you more videos by the end of the week. All right.